generation within. We keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people. Over years and valleys soon.
Go on. Top chef in the kitchen today. I brought up some sea creature. We are going to do it two different ways. We are steam some and we are fry two. We are fry two, we are steam two. See? So I wash my sea creature already with lime, clean it and everything. Very clean. Drop two slices in it. We have a season it now, you know? Me wash it with some lime and vinegar. I already do that already, you see me? So right now I just have to season it. You see me? I say big up on yourself, everybody in our building. Good evening. Welcome to the kitchen at the Top Chef. There I'm cooking. Look at that. Alright. The bag it up now, we are seasoning. Season it lightly, you know? We are going to use about 4 different seasonings, so we want to season it lightly, we don't want to overdo it. You see me? Put in the cut and everything. You see me? Open and follow the Top Chef, look at that. For all the Jamaican recipes. This is a snapper. This is snapper, you know. We're gonna make some rice. We're gonna boil some dumpling, piece of yam, some Irish. You see me? So make this go and season up and nice up. Yeah man, thanks to the follow everybody. Respect. Linda, big up yourself. Rose, big up yourself. Yeah man. Yeah man, a red snapper man. Natasha, red snapper.
You say you want to look in, they stab you in the back. Want to know what's cooking. Put down your holy place. Turn and church on Sunday. Rock to any quick working from
yeah man, big up yourself. Island cooking is the best. Yeah, Monday and Friday. Yeah man, right now I sat there and I feel feet, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Oh, big up yourself. So we turn on this stove, you know. On the scale, we go and get hot, then we put some oil in the pot. Look at that. So we have this here, so what me I go do, you know? Because me I go steam too. You see me? I get on this. Wet, you know? Spoil it, you know what I mean, bro. Do what I know what to do, you know. Now do my foolishness, you know. I wrong mix this, so now I make my own mix. That they mix the too rough, man. Too rough, man. I like look man, see it then. Put little flour in it and I make my own mix, you know. That one, the two. So I'm not deep that an artificial thing, you know. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know. Walk. Alright, you see that? That thing at the pot. Never ready yet. Spice it up a little, you know? Go on, play it now. Feel it right up. And then flavor up the thing, isn't it? You can lift it up. I don't want the egg, you know. Yeah, man, some sea creature we are fried on the top chef ways, you know. Soon come read the comment, just go and follow the page, tap up the like. You see me? Share the live if you feel like, you see me? That's all you need. Turn on your stove a little bit. Yeah, man, make that go and fry, don't you see me? Yo, Yosef, big up, you know. Yeah, man. Joanna, thanks for the share. Big up Shells. Me in a New York too, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Look at that. Good evening. Bandy Dundee, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, the top chef in the kitchen, you see me I say? King J, thanks for the follow. At the top chef, look at that. So now, you see me, we have a fry some. And then we have a steam some, you see me? So, we feel like we have best of both worlds. It's called now and later, okay? Shell, you know, say, we don't have to get more fish, you know? But big up yourself, you know? Yeah, man. Which part of New York you there? They're in the Bronx, you know, Mount Vernon. So we're done with the flour and thing now, isn't it? We're done with the flour. So now we have to steam up this, you know. I'll make some flour now. What's up, baby?
Daddy, what's this?
Okay.
Daddy.
Queens. You know the far, man. Albany. Albany, you're the far, though. You see me? Alright, that thing you have to go use a spatula, you know. What is spatula there? Eh? Give me a second, baby. Want me to burn the fishes?
No. If it was burnt, I wouldn't eat it.
No, top chef don't burn fishes. Alright, what me there now? There's enough thing we have to do now. How hold this?
Daddy.
Thanks for the follow, you know. Yeah. It. Oh, you looking, oh, you looking. If the food bad, just follow the page. If the food bad, just make me know. There you go. Alright, quickly. Let's make some flour for the pot right now. Alright, I now have cornmeal. I got the store and neighbor buy the cornmeal, you know. Shells, thanks to the follow, you know. You're my neighbor, you know. This is flour, this is a fish. Sea creature, you know. Throw a little salt tonight. You know. I don't know cornmeal flour, you know. Regular flour today. You see me? I make some dumpling now. You see me, I say? You self big up yourself, you know. Alright. Let's get a cup. I make some dumpling, you know. I think it's make rice too, but I don't know. Yeah, man, make sure your hand clean when you do them things, you know. Big up yourself, you know, John. Follow the page, you know. What do you mean I use the wrong hand? What? Brother, what do you mean I'm using the wrong hand? If I this hand me use, I this hand me use, you know. Yeah, man. There's no wrong hand. But big up yourself, hope you follow the page. Yeah, man, thank you, you know. You have to keep a clean surface when you're cooking. How you going to cook? It's not hood meals, you know. Yeah, man. Back to the guy who said me I use the wrong hand. Oh, the camera. The camera trick on the one. You see me? And I know the wrong hand. My daughter is left-handed. You see me? So she would have look right now. Yeah, man, some nice flour, you know. It's when you know say no flour no left in the thing, and so you know your dough is ready, you know. Oh, oh. Man, have a fry well done. Yeah, man, I write on this, yo. Come face the camera around, you know what I mean? So I can see while I'm cooking. You can see the comments and everything there. You see me? Yeah, the bowl have to clean. The bowl have to clean when it's done, and so you know say you need the flour, you know what I mean? That's what me know it still, that's what me use it, you know? That's what me see my granny used to do it, you know? Yeah man, the bowl clean man, you have to just take out the thing, make sure your bowl clean before, so cause you have to do all of them things on your hands, you know? Make sure your hand clean, cause you see, you have to get close to the dumpling. You see me need it, spin it up. You see me I said? Press it out, drop it in the pot. So a pot of water boil already. I think I cook down some rice too, you know. Yo, big up yourself, you know, you say you can't smell it. Only one dumpling? Alright, that one off here. That one off here right there. That one off here, alright? Big tune. Kitty, big up yourself, you know, shells. Yo, check out the link in my bio, you know, to my recipe book, you know. You know, the top chef writing first recipe book, you see me? Yeah, man, try it this way, man. Tomorrow for dinner, just try the recipe, yeah. I make that one bubble. The man's skin. Alright, what we are doing now? What we are doing now? I'm just saying, war. It's already, I know. I think I'm going to spin it one more time now. I don't want it well done, isn't it? Sauce good as a 2 you want. Yeah man, you can get it man, you know the thing though. At the top chef, you know. Look at that. Save a piece of yam good. It's alright, little bit. But I tell me I peel the yam deep, you know. You see me? Say war. War in the west. Yo, check out my new recipe book. The link in the bio, you know. Support the top chef, you know. Get a copy. The link in the bio. Follow the page, you know. The more lives like this, you know. And don't worry about one thing. Just wash them off after. What you don't get, miss? You lost? Or you lost? You really lost, man. The food have to be raw first before you cook it, okay? I don't know if you know that though. The food have to be raw first, okay? Sorry. I think you lost though. Yeah, man. Yo, people too smart nowadays, you know, smart people, you know? You're too smart, you know, one good. Look at that. Yeah, man. So we are going to do now. So we are going to do that now. So we're going to steam up them one day and turn off the stove, isn't it? That part they go and finish that part. Isn't it? Because them people are too smart, you know. Isn't it? I say? Last on them thing there. I don't know. But big up on yourself, you open and follow the page, isn't it? I say? Too much so, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up, man, respect, you know. Right now, me I go change the oil and we are going to steam 2 fish, you know. Why for that? 2 sea creature. You know? Yeah, man, we're there in our place, you know. Where the people them come from. Right now, me in the New York, you know, you see me? New York, I don't know, original Jamaican, born and grew up. You know? But where you come from? KB, big up yourself. You know what the thing go. Isn't it? Yeah, man. Feel free to follow the page, you know? More top chef recipes, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I send it across, man, isn't it? Yeah, man. The recipe book, the link in the bio, you know, my new recipe book, the link in the bio. Yeah. Alright, 2 Irish, wash them off. Them a murderer. Drop them in the pot. Look at that. Yeah, man, the link in the bio, man. Look under the profile pic. You see me? You did never tell them again. Alright, we have some. Get this out of the way right now, you see me I say? The oil are gonna change, man. Bill, man. AJ, you move like you're no big chef, my yacht. Oh, you man? You can't tell me what to do, dog. Just enjoy the show, man. Welcome to the kitchen, man. You see me? The oil have to change. How me I go cook down something in that? That's how I know you're not a chef, man. Follow the page so you can become a chef, man. Look at that. Right now, we just cut up some things first, you know, and then we change the oil, okay? Snapper, and we French fry it, you know what I mean? We fry it in a flour. You see me I say? But we are going to cook down. We have two when we fry it, we are going to cook down, you see me? Vampire. Yo, we don't have no bad energy over here, so you know, you just cook food and chill, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you have bad energy, man, just exit, man. You see me? Yeah, man, all if I 10 away there, man, I saw it go. You see me? Big up everybody over there, we are pre the thing. Respect, you see me? Make sure you now follow the page. Check out the new recipe book, you see me? The link in the bio. You see me? Good energy we are spread, you see me I say? Yeah man, big up man, me I bud up, me I steam some fish now, you see me? This fish right here, we fry it down in some, in flour, you know what I mean? Yeah man, KB, big up man, you know? Only good energy over here, positive vibes, you see me? Right now we are get rid of the oil, now watch the oil, that me fry the fish in right now, but me I do whole heap of things. Isn't it? So we have that now, one piece of pepper. Isn't it? Get rid of the seed. Isn't it? Alright, get that over and do that. Just like that. Yeah man, Lisa, big up yourself man, positive vibes man. Isn't it? Feel free to share the live, you know. Gary, big up, you know. Yeah man, you don't know, you know. How that bush? Big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, you don't know the thing, you know. Some good food we are cooked today, you know. And the shepherd. Together. Yeah. Yo, big up New Jersey in the building, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my favorites them too, you know.
With the Christmas one.
I know, you ready to eat? Alright.
Plus, what's this?
This is, you know, I'm gonna want like that one here. Steam me, I go steam me. I ain't gonna fry this one. Alright. This one, 2 piece.
Daddy, with my face, with my food, can I have some celery?
Okay, I got you. Couldn't tell me say the pot that bubble over. Trouble. New York in the building, you know. Big up, you know, New York me there right now, you know. South Carolina, bless up in a blaze. You know the thing go, you know, we cook every day, you know. Isn't it? So make sure you know, follow the page, you know. Look at that. Big up, you know, my boss. You know the thing go. You don't know food take time, you know. I hope you not go to a restaurant, you know. If you know go to the restaurant, you know, turn back and go to the supermarket. Big up Cleveland in the house, you know. You don't know all the seed and everything they cut up, you know. Look at that. What else? Carrot. You scrape the carrot, you know. Shall fade away.
Just for only wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away. Those who believe in diamonds and pearls and feel like they're on top of the world, they shall fade away.
You hear that? That's one thing we can bring with me, you know. Isn't it? Enough respect, you know. Brian, big up yourself, you know. Kitty, I hear you on this. I think that's enough. Shall fit a piece of time in it, you know. Heart shall fade away. That's some okra also. I know some okra you want about 5 of them, but I don't go bust them in them, just cut off them thing at the end. Isn't it? And wash them. Let me bust them in half. When the road is called up yonder. Yeah, man, feel free to share the live, man, you know. Feel free to follow the page. From Ocherios, a man devil me come from, you know, Spur Tree, you know. Mile Gully, you know, Heavy Tree, you know. Yeah, man, everywhere in a man devil, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know that. Put your pepper, 1 piece of onion. You don't know right now we're there in the New York, you know. I go on ends out. Check out the recipe book, you know. The link in the bio, you know. My new recipe book is out now. If you want to support the Top Chef, click the link in my bio and you can get the recipe book. Well, I don't know, you know. I love it with the slime still. Why for that? You know? I don't think you can get rid of that, man. St. Thomas in the building. Big up St. Thomas, you know. Yeah, man. Careful of the St. Thomas. Big up St. Thomas. Yeah, man. Girl, Deville, me come from, man. You know, man, Deville. Spur Tree area, Swedish Hope. A place called Heavy Tree. That they don't a mile gully, you know what I mean? And come from the Spur Tree side, you know? The oil splash everywhere. Alright. Get rid of this and wash out the pattern, isn't it? Throw that in a container, you can't throw it in your sink. Isn't it? Alright then. Now second let me see, bro. In a couple seconds then check out that pattern nice. Pot still hot. And cold water the pan, you know. Yeah, I have to pot, you know. Start up the engine. Yo, big up for the follow, you know. Yeah, man, respect, you know. John Run. Big up yourself. Welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, man, I saw it have to do it, man. We're going to have a mess all over. Flowers, thanks for the follow, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm still missing at the comment before I start up. I turn on the stove. Thanks for the follow, you know. Diane, thanks for the follow. Calvin, thanks for the follow. Jordan, thanks for the follow. Yeah, man, big up in a rasa. Your type of meal this, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know what the thing go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up everybody in the house right now. Of course. Why not? Yeah, man, big up in and hope you guys following the page. Gary, thanks for the follow. You know what the thing go. You see me right now? This is the secret right now, man. This thing right here. Flavor up the food. Nice. You see me? Some coconut milk, isn't it? Throw a little water in it, little bit. This one to throw a little bit. I'll go and look away. Come tell to the pot of bubble, man. Trouble. Ooh. Put piece of butter in it. Yeah, man, the veggie is nice, you know, some baby bok chow. We have some sweet pepper, some carrot. But true, me don't want to put no more in it. Skelly and thyme and them thing there, you know. Marie, thanks for the follow. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Marcel, thanks for the follow. Feel free to share the live. Feel free to tap the screen up. Feel free to get my new recipe book. The link is in my bio. You are the Jamaican top chef, you know.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Are you gonna do cut to color?
Yes. When I do it, I'll call you. Flavor up, you know. You don't want too much. You see me?
Daddy, can I watch you cook?
Yes, stay right there. You know? Can't wait till dinner done, huh? Just flavor it up a little bit. Chastity, thanks for the follow, you know. John Run, thanks for the follow, you know. Big up, you know. Feel free to share the live, you know. As so much people are following me, man. Big up Marie. Yeah, man. Shells, big up yourself, you know. Vegetable Bad, KB, Steam Fish Time, Steam Sea Creature. You see me? Get one of the Maggie pack, you know. You see me? Brush it up. One blood.
You could have be a Irishman, alright. This one could have be a Mexican, alright. With idea, one blood, one blood, one blood. Hey, baby, boy. I want to break this straight. Hey, boy.
Yeah, man, someone never know say that today, you know. Steam, we are steam down some right now. Put some butter in it now. No. You don't want too much butter, just a little piece. You see me? And the butter we are eating, you know. Relax, baby. Alright. Yo, New York, this is some snapper, you know. We are steam it up, you see me I say? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, respect, you know. Who that? Oakland. Respect. Yeah, man. So you see like how them raw? I put them in, you know? Bring them far in mind.
Watching Daddy cook.
Yeah, watch the top chef. You have some shrimp, you know? I show me a bad up it now. You want big cook down now, you know? Steam down. Now a piece of pumpkin, but we don't want to full up the pot yet, you know what I'm saying? Now if you taste it, you know, I know say it good enough. Yeah man, best of both worlds, you know, Shells. You see me? Best of both worlds, you know? Yeah man. Thanks for the badge, you know. Alright, you see this now, we have to wash it first though. Because we have to keep the skin also, you know?
Can I have one cucumber?
It's okay, you know, because I'll call it for you, okay?
Daddy, I don't want cucumbers. I just wanted to cucumbers. I'm sorry.
Yeah, tell me sorry, man.
Because
Relax, man, just relax. Sit and just relax. You know? No, you can't wait till the food done, but relax. Top chef a cook right now, isn't it? Just look and learn, isn't it? You just leave a piece of the skin on it. Skin is good for you, you know? But you have to wash it first, you know, and put it straight down like that. You see me? After that, we have to put it in the fridge so you can go and chill out, you know? And relax. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Shells, you have to look one for real, man. You see me? I just saw it go. You see me? You need a Jamaican chef, you know, but you don't know. Yeah, man. Thanks for the following, Andre. You want some? I would want some. Shirley, wish I could. And Moko you come from? Big up Moko, you know. Moko in the building, you know. Clarendon and the place, you know, and the neighbor, you know, Mandeville I come from, you know. You see me? Guyana American. Yo, big up Guyana in the place, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some fry and some cook steam down, you know. See that? You don't think we should have put some shrimp in it? I may have some shrimp, you know. Some shrimp would have finish it off nice, you know. What do you think? Yeah, man. Big up everybody in our building, man. Big up everybody who share the life. Big up the people who purchase the recipe book already. Me see it.
sorry, Daddy.
I'm going to kick you out of the kitchen, you know.
Sorry.
Be a trouble there, you know. Alright. Big up everybody who purchase the recipe book, you know. The link in my bio, you know, if you want to purchase my recipe book. Yeah, man. Moko. Big up Moko in our place. Clarendon, Thompson Town, Penn and Summersfield. What about Frankfield? And some people from Frankfield, you know. Yeah, man. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I saw it go on. See it, yeah? So you want to taste it? Yeah. Alright, see this now? Yeah, man. Thanks for the following, everybody, you know. Check out my recipe book. The link is in my bio, guys. You know what I mean? St. Anne's Bay, Runaways Bay. Yeah, man. Big up the people, them. Yeah, man. Snapper, you know. From Snapper Sea Creature. But we have this fried. We have this going steam down, you know. And we have this to the side. Turn on the stove, make it go and cook, you know.
In the bathroom.
Come in there. What's he done? Listen. Come in there. You're not the dreadlocks, that's where you come from. Yo, Me in the Bronx right now. Yeah, man. West Minto. Can't transfer all life, man. I didn't right you know. Sea creature, what kind of sea creature this is? This is snapper, red snapper, you know what I mean? Big up Jamaica, from Jamaica living in Florida. Big up yourself, you know. Dan, big up yourself, Dan. Yeah, man. We have some steam in the pot right now and this fry already, isn't it? And dinner soon we have some yam and dumpling and Irish over there, so. Isn't it? Maybe then I'll bad up some rice, but I go see where Shorty I pray first. Isn't it? So I don't want a rice still, you know. I want some strong food, isn't it? Well smooth. We have some cucumber just cut up and put on in the fridge. Isn't it? I say? Yeah, man. Big up everybody right there, man. Big up all this. Audrey, where you come from? Florida. Big up Florida in our building, you know. Isn't me? I say, hope everybody will follow the page, you know. Feel free, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. Douglas, big up yourself. Dre. Yeah, man, we are chef, do the chefings right now, man. You know, don't know the thing, go the top chef in the kitchen right now, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know we French fried it, you know. It's like how them fried chicken, that's how we do it, you know what I mean? Fried in some flour and some season from the islands, you know what I mean? Look at that. Audrey, big up yourself, you know. Perfect. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. Respect, you know. Hope you guys following the page. Yeah, me have a cooking page on YouTube. It named Top Chef Done the Place. You get long videos. You get all of them live here. It's gonna be over there. Isn't it? So you can cook step by step. I also have a new recipe book out now. The link is in my bio. You know what I mean? You can support the Top Chef by stopping by over there and purchasing that. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. See creature, man, we are bad up in a day, man. You don't know. Simone, big up for the follow, you know. Yeah, man, away cook, you know what I mean? Nice food, you see me, I say? Yeah. See, creature, them done already, you know. Just wait till them other vegetable and cook down, you know what I mean? Eat about the next 7 to 10 minutes and then we're gonna have dinner. Alright, yeah, put some rice. A little bit of rice. Put on that too, yeah. Wash your rice, you know. Wash your rice. I bought up some rice. I shot to her bar so she want rice, you know. So she have to get rice, you know. I just say you go.
Daddy, what's those?
This is called thyme. Thyme. Not thyme, you know. Thyme. Okay? Put the thyme in the pot. And then you say, look at that, I'm looking at it.
Who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do, yeah. Now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, I'm all alone in the wilderness.
Alright.
Searching to find some decent rest. Although she wasn't the best,
Just a flavor up the rice a little bit, you know?
into my world. And now I'm a prisoner of loneliness. Said I'm a prisoner of loneliness.
Come on, I'm going to look at mash of that. Hold on. Rinse off the now. Isn't it?
Now whose boss is gonna say goodnight? Now that she's gone out of my sight. Who's gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true, yeah. Now that my love is
Want to look at butter in the pot now.
now that my love is overdue. Can you see right now?
Thanks to all the followers.
And I don't know just what to do.
Yeah man, the Jamaican top chef, you know. Look at that. So show no want go on, man. Give me a second there. Just a pinch of salt, you know. You don't need nothing more than that. But people put other things in it, but no, sir. That's good enough. So when I'm done already, you know. Steamed fish, you know. And some vegetable coconut cooked down in a coconut milk, you know. Well tasty. Well, go on and chat you now. Yeah man, of course man, eat the head man, I do a beer bone, just chew up the bone, you know, full of flavor, you know. Yeah man, thanks to the follow, you know. Yeah man, big up in the Audrey, you know the thing, you know. Thanks for the follow everybody. Yeah man. I know cabbage, you know, it's bap chow. Bap chow, you know what I mean? Baby bap chow. The YouTube channel is Top Chef Done the Place. You know what I mean? Yeah man. And I hope you guys purchase my recipe book, my brand new recipe book. The link is in my bio, guys. You know what I mean? Feel free to support the Top Chef. You know what I mean? Big up yourself and I give you I give you 5 of my best recipes. 5 favorite Jamaican meals. Look at that. Yeah man, big up everybody in the house right now. The day from start, we just reached. So we have some rice or so. We will let that go and cook. This done, you know. Food done, you know. Yeah man. Okay, them want to cook down nice, you know. Just turn on the stove make it go on. Yeah man, hope everybody a follow. Yo, thanks, yo, how that? Dan, big up for the follow, you know. Michael, big up for the follow, you know. Or Mitchell. How that? You know have no name? Yeah man. Of course, man, my wife cook as well, man, but I'm here the top chef, you know what I mean? I'm the top chef, real bad chef, you know what I mean? But my wife cook, but I just like to cook, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, check out the page. I'm here the bad chef, I'm here the chef of the family, you know? Yeah, man, I'm here the bad chef, man. Yeah, man, if me can cook, everybody and my little daughter can cook. That me I tell you. You never know, you see me? But I'm here the bad chef, man. Big up yourself, you know. Hope you follow the page, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody over there right now, you know what I mean? No matter where you are in the world, just go and hold it, isn't it? Yeah, man, and cook some food and boycott all restaurants. I would that Tasha, where you deal with Tasha, big up yourself, you know, the top chef, you know, we in the kitchen. We just french fry some sea creature and we steam some, you know, this one done, you know. So we up on the rice, you know. Look at that. Yeah, man, 2 sea creature in that vegetable cooked down in some coconut oil, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Tasha. You know what the thing going, you know. Dumpling them done already, you know. I hope you go perch. Look at that, Tasha. Look at that. I hope you purchase the new recipe book. The link in my bio, you know. Feel free to tap up the live, you know. Feel free to share the live. Feel free to purchase my new recipe book. The link in my bio. Feel free to follow the page. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big up in a bandy done there, you know the thing, you know. Yeah, man. Big up, thanks to the follow, you know. Latasha, thanks for the follow. Mary, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the kitchen. You know what I mean? You tune in right now to Done the Place. I am the top chef. You know what I mean? They say I'm better than Gordon Ramsay. Look at that. Yeah, man, thanks for the follow, everybody. Who else follow me, I know? Yeah, man, if you're there and you like the cooking, man, just follow the page, man. I'm there in the Bronx right now, near Mount Vernon. You see me? There in New York, you see me? You don't know an original yard, man, you know what I mean? Mary, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Oh, that Latasha, big up yourself, you know. Thanks for the rose, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, but big up yourself. If you're there and the food look good, just follow the page. If the food look good, follow the page. I'm showing you for a second. You see? See creature in my pot. Look at that. Ready to cook, eat down with some yam and dumpling right now. You see me? Full of flavor. You see me? Food look good, just follow the page. Look at that. I think they're going to share my plate now, you know. See if we can get it rolling now. Jones. Yeah, man, it's annoying me right now. Put some cucumber in it, you know? Have a look, you know. Yeah, man, the place nice. Yo, Joe, big up, thanks for the follow, you know. Yeah, man. You're there close by Dan, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, the food ready, you know, you know. See the sea creature tear apart easily. You see me? See that? You can just eat it with the vegetable just like that. Oh my. Dumplings soaking in the gravy, you know. But take a piece of the sea creature. Take some of the vegetable. I want the okra. You see me? Combination. You see me? Yeah, man, that's how we do it in the kitchen, man. How you deal with it? Yeah, man, make sure you don't follow the bad page, you know. Yo, John, big up yourself, you know. Oh, bad man. Yo, respect, you know. Make it big up yourself, you know. Beverly, big up yourself, you know. Open and follow the page, you know. Right now, I'm just going to mix a tall glass of lemonade right now. 3 green lime and some sugar. You see me? The thing bad. Yo. But the thing me I go come off of the live now, you know. So I'm going to follow the page. So we can get some nice cooking right now. Oh my. Yo. Go on my page, check out my page and you see my face. You see me? Follow the page. Yo, the food tastes good as shit. Yo, big up on yourself, you know. Top chef in the kitchen, you know. Look at that. Make sure you go purchase my new recipe book. It's out now. The link is in my bio. You see me? I say food done now, so we're gone. I just the rice we like to cook now, isn't it? But until next time, big up everybody in our building, isn't it? But the top chef gone. We out here. No, me not hide. Go on my page and you see my picture. Isn't it? That's how the thing go. You can see my picture on my page. Not hiding, I ain't hiding. Yeah, man, at the top chef, you know, I done the place my name, you know. Look at that. Go up on the page and follow it. And you can see how me look in a real life, you see me? See it, I still know the thing, you know. See creature every day, most days, you know. With French fries some, and with steamed down some with some dumplings, you see me I say? Yeah, man. But me I gonna murder this right now, you see me I say? Big up everybody in our building. Come like I know no one come in, you know. Food done, I wanna come when the food done. Act still, big up yourself, you know. Dan, big up yourself, you know. Big up everybody who follow the page today, you know. Everybody who purchase a recipe book, you know. The link in my bio, you know. Yeah, man. Big up, you know, act still. I don't know the thing, but I see creature today. Some okra and vegetable. Cook them nice. You see me I say? We are waiting for the rice. You see me I say? Yo, Tony, big up yourself, you know. It's all the way from England. Big up yourself, you see me? I say we're in New York right now. But we are the original Jamaicans. You see me? I say, yeah man. We boycott restaurants. We don't go to Fridays and Red Lobsters. We don't go there, you know what I mean? We boycott those stuff. You see me? But I got a new recipe book. The link is in my bio, guys. You see me? To me. Big up yourself and thanks for the follow. My recipe book, the link is in my bio. If you want to support the Top Chef, just click on that link and purchase the recipe, you know what I mean? So go on my page, the link is in my bio. Good night. Well, go on. Yeah man, purchase the recipe book man, the link in my bio man. Oxtail, big up yourself from now, you know. Kingston, Dana Kingston you come from. Yeah man. But support the Top Chef by purchasing my recipe book, you know what I mean? It just came out last week. The link is in my bio. Big up everybody who purchased one already. You know what the thing going, you know? Right now, 19 minutes after 7. You see me? 7 o'clock right now in New York City. You see me I say? Yeah man. But look now, the food I get cold, you see me? So big up. You see me I say? Yeah man, better than Gordon Ramsay man. Big up in Dan. You know what the thing going on. Yeah man. Gordon Ramsay can't cook this man. I tell you, Gordon Ramsay don't know them recipe here. Only the Top Chef and the Jamaican know them recipe here, you see me? Turn on the rice pot. Look at that. Oh, 6:21 we are hour ahead. The time soon change in October, November, them time there, you know. Peanut, thanks to the follow, you know. And big up, you know what I mean? Yeah man, but me I gonna murder food now. Check out the page everybody, you know what I mean? And purchase my recipe book if you want to support the Top Chef, you know what I mean? The link is in my bio, you know what I mean? Tamaya, big up yourself, you know. You don't know, welcome to the kitchen, you know what I mean? Check out the page, I got all the Jamaican recipes. You see me I say? Yeah man. But big up everybody. I'm gone for real this time. You see me? Big up everybody who pass through, you know. Yeah man.